Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. What is the name of the operation launched by Indian security forces against terrorist hideouts in Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir in January 2026? Right answer is option A, Operation Trashi 1. Which country won the SAF Under 19 Women's Football Championship 2026? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Bheem Payments app in 2026? Right answer is option C, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who is the author of the book Agni Sarasulu Vikasitinjina Kamalam Draupadi Murmu, based on the struggles and life journey of President Draupadi Murmu? Correct answer is option B, Yarlagadda Lakshmi Prasad. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to China? Correct answer is option B, Vikram K. Doraiswamy. Which year has been declared as the International Year for Rangelands and Pastoralists? Right answer is option C, 2026. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, USA, Canada, and Mexico. Which state declared the Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary as its first official butterfly sanctuary in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. Which city installed India's first microalgae based pure air tower? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. In which Indian state was the newly identified reed snake species Calamaria mizoramensis discovered in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. R.M. Nachammai recently made history by becoming the first woman chief superintendent of a functional nuclear power plant under which organization? Right answer is option B, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Who is the author of the book titled History That India Ignored? Right answer is option C, Prem Prakash. Who will take over as the new Vice Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option D, Dheeraj Seth. Who won Femina Miss India 2026? Correct answer is option A, Sadhvi Satish Sail. What is India's ranking in the Corruption Perception Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 91st rank. Who has been awarded the UN Secretary General's Award 2025 for the contributions to gender inclusive peacekeeping in Africa? Correct answer is option C, Major Swati Shantakumar. Sahitya Academy Award 2025 for Hindi literature was awarded to whom? Right answer is option B, Mamta Kalia. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the Param Shakti supercomputing facility at which institute? Right answer is option C, IIT Madras. Which district hosted the mission where Aditya Pandya became India's youngest male analog astronaut? Right answer is option C, Dholavira. L&T partnered with which company to establish India's first gigawatt scale AI factory? Correct answer is option C, Nvidia. Which country became the 118th member of the International Solar Alliance in 2026? Right answer is option B, Romania. Who became the first Indian to receive the Esmond B. Martin Award 2026? Right answer is option A, Kriti K. Karanth. In April 2026, where was the foundation stone laid for India's first petroglyph conservation park? Right answer is option A, Leh Ladakh. On which date is National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated every year in India? Correct answer is option C, April 24th. In March 2026, who was appointed as the new Secretary General of the Arab League? Right answer is option B, Nabil Fahmi. Sati app was developed by the Ministry of Education in collaboration with which institute? Right answer is option C, IIT Kanpur. Jan Aushadhi Divas is observed annually on which date to promote awareness of generic medicines? Correct answer is option B, 7th March. In April 2026, President Draupadi Murmu approved the conferment of the President's Colors Award to the police force of which state? Right answer is option B, Odisha. With which country did India agree to sign a free trade agreement in April 2026 to strengthen economic ties? Correct answer is option D, New Zealand. Who was conferred with the highest honor of the Indian Railways? Right answer is option B, Chandana Sinha. In which city was Exercise Milan 2026 conducted? Right answer is option C, Visakhapatnam. Which state topped the medal tally and emerged as the overall champion at the 69th National School Games? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Operation Shastra, launched by Delhi police, is primarily aimed at? Correct answer is option C, curbing online intimidation and fear mongering. Which state is home to India's first full stack sovereign artificial intelligence park? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Where was the 6th India France Annual Defense Dialogue held in February 2026? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Who was appointed as the new president and vice chairman of Meta in January 2026? Right answer is option D, Dina Powell McCormick. Where has India approved the installation of two new telescopes named NSLT and NLOT? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. On which date was the World Day of Social Justice observed in 2026? Correct answer is option C, 20th February. Which country emerged as the table topper in the medal standings of the Asian Rifle Championship 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Who emerged as the winner of the inaugural Liberwin Champions Cup 2026 snooker tournament? Right answer is option A, Pankaj Advani. Who won the FIDE Freestyle Chess World Championship 2026? Right answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. India secured which position in the medal tally at the 12th Asian Indoor Athletics Championships 2026 held in Tianjin, China? Right answer is option C, 7th position. Who has become the president of the relaunched National Olympic Academy under the Indian Olympic Association? Right answer is option D, PT Usha. Which sanctuary in Tamil Nadu witnessed the launch of the first phase of the All India Tiger Estimation 2026? Right answer is option D, Thantai Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. Who became the first woman officer of the Indian Army to qualify to fly the Rudra armed helicopter? Right answer is option C, Captain Hansja Sharma. Shaya Mohsin Zindani was recently appointed Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Yemen. Who launched the AI based farmer platform Bharat Vistar in Jaipur to support farmers with technology? Correct answer is option B, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Monpui Sayavi was appointed as India's High Commissioner to which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand. Indian Newspaper Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is option B, 29th January. Who was elected as the new president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Right answer is option B, Sheikh Joan bin Hamad Al Thani. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.